Welcome back. I'm Susil Chaursia and this is ETABS Masterclass brought to you by Build India Education. In this video, we are going to talk about things that you should know or have before we get started. First, this is not a theoretical design class. I assume you are familiar with basics of manual structural analysis and design of simple structures with simple loading. For example, simply supported beams, continuous beams, etc. I'm also going to assume that you have basic understanding of reinforcement detailing for structural elements like beams, columns and slabs. In the first few chapters, I'm going to explain everything to you, considering you have little to no working experience on ETABS. However, as we progress through the course, I will switch things up subtly so that I can show you the huge potential ETABS holds. I'm also going to cover some of the simple to advanced topics like seismic analysis using equivalent static analysis and response spectrum analysis, and also wind analysis in this course. I will also show you how to use those analysis results to design your structure using simple detailing of structural elements for optimization in design. Throughout this course, I'm going to use relevant Indian standard design codes which you might already be using in manual designs. Like every other tool, ETABS is also a tool of practice, and therefore I recommend that you make use of the exercise files that are supplied to you so that you can follow me throughout the course. Now that I have laid out the foundation of this course to you, let me ask you to join in the next video where I help you set things up. Thank you.